Mine will survive long after I'm gone. History isn't kind to men who play God. Only your skills die with your body. Mine will survive long after I'm gone. History isn't kind to men who play God.
The Triumph Daytona 675, the last to be built in 2018. This is the last line, ending a production run of Triumph Daytona 675s that started in 2006 and came to an end in 2018. The machine will forever be known as one of Triumph's most successful engines, acclaimed by the world's press and customers alike year on year. Without doubt, Triumph's best ever sports bike to date, with so many race wins around the world. And here we go, here we have the 2020 Triumph Daytona Moto 2 765 limited edition. This is the Scrambler that Guy Martin used to carry out a replica jump that Steve McQueen did. And here he is, Steve McQueen. Great film, The Great Escape. And here's the bike from the film, The Great Escape. Speed Triple 1050 RS 2019 Hobbs and Shaw. The Speed Triple played a huge part in the 2019 The Fast and Furious spin-offs. The Speed Triple Birds of Prey Triumph's Motorcycles Limited is incredibly proud of its global partnership with Warner Brothers. So I was just looking at some of the films that a Triumph motorbike is featured in, and I can't believe how many things. So Jurassic World, Quadrophenia, An Officer and Gentleman, Richard Gere rode a Triumph in that film, a Triumph Bonneville 140E, Tom Cruise obviously, here he is, Triumph Speed Triple. Tom Cruise, one of the biggest movie stars and a big Triumph fan too, both on and off screen in Mission Impossible 2. He chose not one but two Triumphs, a Daytona T595 and a Speed Triple, in Edge of Tomorrow. It was a Thruxton, and just to prove how at home on the Triumph he is, Cruise often performs his own high-speed stunts. Happy Days, which is I remember as a kid, so the Fonz was a big star in that comedy series. Happy Days, there he is on a Triumph. Metal Gear Solid, the games console, didn't realise it featured in that too, one of the world's most popular games. Bob Dylan, Triumph Tiger, there's the Phantom Pain. Doctor Who, the Wild One, who else other than Marlon Brando. 1953 Triumph, a Thunderbird 6T, and Clint Eastwood. 650 Triumph TR6. Makes you realise what diverse history and connections the film industry has with this motorcycle. Amazing. Some bikes going out to order.
The friends that I have now are the best and closest friends I've ever had.
My dad rides, my granddad rode, so yeah, I'd say it's good enough. Alright. Good friends, good bikes.
Why do we do it? That's a good question.
You just a deep, throaty roar. I just like the bottom of it. It's sweet.
Being on a roller coaster when you can decide what happens next.
The single biggest thing about it.
the throttle, you get pushed back and you come up to a corner and you lean in. You can only feel it. Like, you can't describe it. It's wonderful.
When you accelerate, it's that roar that comes with it, that burst of acceleration, deep, throaty roar. I just like the body of it. It's sleek, it's slender, it's just classic.